Hey everyone, today we are going to prepare a whole wheat banana cake.
Hi, welcome back. The ingredients that we need for the banana cake are 2 cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of brown sugar, because we are mixing bananas, so bananas are sweet, 3 bananas, half cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a cup of soya milk, and 1 cup of water according to your need. If it is necessary, you can, but if not, you can add more soya milk. Let's mix these ingredients together. First of all, take a container and a cup of sugar, add the oil. You can add the oil together and mix it, and then give a good mix of the oil and the sugar. And you can add the flour. You can mix the baking powder together with the flour. Then a cup of soya milk. If needed, you can put more soya milk. Mix it together well. If you want some flavor, you can add some vanilla essence. Then put the mashed banana and give a good mix. Now it's ready to go inside the oven. Remember to warm the oven for 10 minutes and put the temperature into 200 degrees Celsius and bake the cake for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, your cake is ready. How's it, Zion? Alright. There is a popular text in the Bible, and I would like to share this to you. Beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in health, even as thy soul prospereth. 3 John 1:12. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.